Grüß euch! Greetings, I'm Dorn from Artu in Germany. Today I want to show you our new super tough Artu padlock. It's made out of a very special alloy to make sure it's hacksaw blade and bolt cutter proof. On top of it we are using a 6-pin locking system compared to a 4 or 5-pin locking system made by our competition.
I will try to do my best to snap it off, and if I can't make it, then I don't think anyone can make it. Bolt cutter. Our padlock Artu. I will try now with a hacksaw. This will take hours. Try with the same bolt cutter. This is tough. Wait, I'll try again. I'll try. Now what this is impossible.
I don't know if you can see it. It's cut maybe 10% into the material. This will protect you. I'm Dorn from Artu in Germany, and I've got this for you.